Okay, we show how to change the accessory from CH-2 R13 diesel. So starting from the pedestal, the skip is mounted on the pedestal, and also the concrete mixer is on the pedestal. After, when the bucket is on the ground, you can start changing one of the pins. Then it's the time of the other pin, the cylinder pin. No, vieni qua, oh! Quindi fa le foto di quelli. Foto dove cambia l'accessorio. Then you can lift up by the skip. Then you have just to remove the other pin and lightly lift the skip. After this you can easily disconnect the quick hitch from the skip. Okay, and now you can drive back the undercarriage and the skip is free. After you have put the undercarriage below the mixer, it's the time to mount the accessory. After you have moved the undercarriage below the mixer, you can start mounting it on the chassis. So, connecting the pipes coming from the undercarriage to the mixer. Of course, the mixer is already fitted with the quick hitch as standard. After these two quick hitch, that is from the chassis to the mixer, you have to connect the pipe that is coming from the mixer that has to go to the tank. So you can hitch the quick hitch that the machine is already fitted with. After the three quick hitches are mounted, you can move the mixer and get the two mixers are in the position, and the two holes are one inside the other, where you afterwards will put the other pin. As soon as the two holes are corresponding in the right position, you can start with the insertion of the relevant pin. Sometimes it's necessary to just move the bucket and the arm of the mixer just to make the insert of the pin easier. And now it's done. And now it's the time of putting the cylinder in the relevant hole. Do not forget to close the pin with the relevant clip. So moving the cylinder into the relevant holes, maybe you have to reduce or enlarge the ram, and that's the time to insert the other pin. It can be can be easier sometimes to move the cylinder up and down. So by just moving, just moving the relevant lever, and now the pin is in. Also this pin has to be blocked. With the relevant clips, the relevant clips that block like this pin. Okay, now the mixer is mounted on the undercarriage. You have just to put the pipes for the power takeoff that are needed to make the machine able to rotate the drum. So with the relevant switches, just insert in the power takeoff. Alright. Okay. Now you have to remove the two pedestals, put the pipes inside in a good order, and use the power takeoff with the relevant valve that is open and close the power takeoff. It's required for the rotation of the drum. After you have lifted the mixer, the supports, the pedestals are free from the ground, so it's very easy to remove it from the seat. Now the machine is ready. It's just required to put the pipes along with the supports that you already find in the machine, just to avoid the pipes can be damaged by the use of the mixer. The job is done and you can start working with the machine. Now the machine is ready to work, so just put down the mixer, start with the skip that loads the mixer, and start with rotation that has to be activated by the power takeoff. Now you have to make the mixing, varying the speed according to your need. When the mixing is done, you have to change the rotation of the skip of the mixer, and then you can download to discharge the cement as soon as you have done the mixer.